Yes, SUNWING has its own artificial grass factory located in Wuxi City, Jiangsu Province, which is close to Shanghai. We are a factory, but we also provide trading service to our customers. Additionally, we also invest in an artificial hedge plants factory years ago. So if you are looking for a one-stop service for all your gardening products, please do not hesitate to contact us. If you are looking for the cheapest model, I would like to introduce our layer grass. And we have one model on promotion now. The price is very good. So if you have any interest, please send your email to us. Now we totally has 14 tufting machines and 3 heating machines. Our production capacity for each day is 3 40 high cube container. That is around 10,000 square meters and 1 million square meters for 1 month. Each row grass is 2 meter, 4 meter, and 5 meter. Of course, if you want a special requirement on the width, we also can do for you. Our regular lead time is 15 to 30 days, depending on how many square meters you order. For retail customers, they prefer to use PDQ and pallet for package. And if you do wholesale or installation, raw package will be enough. For cheap layer grass, the warranty is 1 year, but for artificial landscaping grass and sport grass, the warranty is 5 years outdoor. We can produce different detects and density for the grass. Of course, the higher detects and density, the higher price. So, if you have any needs on their specification, just contact us. SUNWING has exported over 50 countries, such as USA, UK, Australia, Canada, and so on. So, where are you come from? Please tell us. We can recommend our hot-selling models for your market. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.